Hey guys, it's Maple here. Another unboxing of the BAM box! BAM! Woo! So I don't know what's in this. I just got it like a couple days ago. So we'll unbox it. Here with my boy Tom. Whoop.
Whoop whoop.
So I know I haven't done unboxings for a while, so this is the first one. Oh well. And we'll see. Okay. Double stick now. Why is it stuck? Broke the box. Was it not supposed to go like
It's supposed to be what's in the box, not break the box.
Oh, and it's backward. Alright, box is open and destroyed. First, we'll take the paper out. If I butcher the names, I apologize, because I don't know crap. Oh, cool.
He breaks boxes.
So it's an autograph pop. Woody Woodpecker. There you go. And it's signed. And the guy who signed it was Eric Boza, who voices a number of voices. Of course. I guess he voices Woody. First item. Jurassic Park Visitor Pass. That's sick. I'm gonna rock that. Bam! And then the BAM pop culture. Shazam! Put that in my hat. And then there is the artwork, Stanos. It's fan art. And this was made by. Who made this? Title of this picture is Endgames, and it's made by Anthony Goodsell. Bam!
That's sick.
That is a sick drawing. Matching my Stan Lee. Oh, sorry, Stan. Sorry. Here you go. And that's it for this box. Bam! Here's the variation stuff you could have got. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing and want to see more videos, you can subscribe in the bottom part somewhere. And everybody, happy hunting, and catch you guys later.